Okay, we're live. Hey everybody. In this video, I'm going to teach everybody how to buy Ripple. I know it's kind of confusing for some people, especially newcomers. It's a two-step process. First step you're going to need is you're going to need a COINBASE account. I'm going to provide a link in the description, and when you use that link, you will get $10 free Bitcoin with your first $100 deposit. So first deposit, you actually spend 100, you get 110 back. And for everybody you refer as well. So if you have any friends, family, you refer them, get $10 for every one of those too. But this video really is just to teach people how to buy Ripple. You cannot buy it on Coinbase. Coinbase is primarily, it is a marketplace, but it really is kind of like a wallet. They don't sell that many currencies yet. You can't even buy Ripple on there yet. It's supposed to come out soon, and if it does, Ripple's going to skyrocket. So with all the news that's going on, the partnership with Western Union, all that, I highly suggest you buy some Ripple, whatever you can, even if it's $100, okay? All right, so here we go. We're on the Coinbase. Let's just assume I already signed up for an account. You want to go over here and now you need to buy some Bitcoin or any of these other coins that you can buy instantly. Me personally, I like ones with less volatility because you get a better price that way. But just for all intents and purposes on this, we're just going to do a Bitcoin example for everybody. I don't want to confuse people too much, but just know when you do instantly, you're going to pay a market price. Anyway, so here we go. All right, we want to buy Bitcoin, and we want to do $100. Okay, $100. You buy it. Click buy. Boom. Okay. Let's just say we did it. We're done. I bought Bitcoin. It's instant. When you do it on Coinbase, it is instant. You're going to have it instantly. Now, we're going to go to our accounts. Once we have it bought, we want to send it. So we're going to send some Bitcoin. Remember, this is a two-step process. We want to buy it on Coinbase, and we're going to send it to BINANCE. So we're going to click this send button, and it's going to ask us what address we'd like to send it to. So now we're going to go over to BINANCE, excuse me. And how we get here is you go to funds, you go to deposits, okay, and it's going to bring it up. It's going to ask you to choose your coin. Like I said, we chose Bitcoin, so type in Bitcoin, boom, pops up, and now we have an address right here. Now, for all those newcomers out there, we do not want to copy this with our scroll here. We do not want to type that in manually. Just hit this little copy address, okay. I've made a mistake a long time ago in the past. I tried typing that out, and I sent $125 to somebody. Hope they needed it, hope they enjoyed it, and hopefully that at least gives me a little good karma, I guess. I don't know. But everybody makes mistakes at the beginning. That's why I'm doing this video. So for the newcomers, you don't make mistakes, all right? Okay, so now we copy that address, and we're just going to come over here and just copy and paste it. All right? And you type in how much you want to send. If you put $100 in, you want to fool around with this because when you do an instant deposit, it's going to charge you $3.84. So with your $10 free, I would say let's send $106. It's going to be like 106 and change you're going to get. You would hit continue, and then it would get sent. And once it's sent, you'll get an email confirmation. Make sure you put a real email address. You want to have that. You don't use an email address you look at all the time because this stuff is important. This is your money. All right. And now, once you send, you'll get an email confirmation from Binance saying you successfully deposited your money. We're going to go over here and click this part. I'm just going to move that. Okay. I'm going to click this part right here, and we're going to look for Ripple. I have it already saved as favorites, but if you don't, you just type in XRP is Ripple's tag, and we're going to click on that, and here's Ripple. I've been begging people several weeks ago, buy the heck out of this because, and that was at 28 cents. All those people that listened to me, they made money because last night it even went up to 45 cents. And now I suspect it's finding a lot of support right around 38 cents. I believe ceiling right now, ceiling and floor is going to be right around 38 to 45 cents. So if you're getting it for 39, 40 cents, you're doing good. You'll be fine. Now, how do we buy it? Well, we want to do limit orders. Suckers do market orders. You don't want to do that because you're going to get charged fees, so don't do that. Limit literally charges you a fraction of a penny. It's nothing, okay? So we'll always do limit orders. Now, how do we choose our limit orders? Is look at all these orders. These, see this here? These are all the people that are selling. These are all the people that are buying. And you want to jump in front of these big walls. See this 40,000? If you were to choose 9940 Satoshis, you'd have a big wait before your order would go through. So, either way, if I'm buying anyways, I'm kind of looking for the dip, and I would believe this one would go, it's already proven to me, it's already gone to 98.06. Maybe I do mine at 98.21, just to get ahead of the game. Make sure it goes through, save some money, get it in there. So I would come over here and type in 99.21, and I'd be buying it at, you know, roughly 39.5 cents, saving a little bit. Okay, every bit counts. And I suggest always, you know, there's people, they jump in it and they just buy 100% of whatever the heck they have. Okay, do 50% at a time or 25% at a time. You want to have several positions. It always helps to get the most value, get the most bang for your buck. And you want to be right. I'm going to do a candle video, show you how to read candles for beginners out there. You're going to want to know how to do that. If you're going to trade it every day, if you're going to hodl them, and you just want to, just for the sake of owning Ripple, Bitcoin, whatever, then that stuff really kind of doesn't matter. Just buy it for the best price you believe it is, and go from there. And once you click that in, you type in your amount. I don't have any available Bitcoin. All mine are already used or in order. So this is just demonstration purposes. And I guess I have to make the disclaimer, this is not financial advice. I'm just trying to teach you guys what I learned, so you don't make mistakes that beginners make. And there we go. And then you would just literally just hit buy, and then your buy order will pop up here. There'll be a little arrow on the left side here. It'll show you where your order is, and there you go. And it looks like I was right. Look, look, it's already at. If I did put it at 99.21, our order would have went through, and we would have got it. As you see, at 99.20. I'm pretty good at calling these dips. I'll show, I'm sorry, I said 98.21 anyways, but it should get there, because usually, you know, you have to understand these things are kind of like a little roller coaster ride. There's always people buying and selling these. There's day traders, they buy it, they run it up, and then they sell their big orders, and then that's how you get these dips, and those are opportunities for you to buy. You know, you don't want to be one of these dummies and buy up here. You want to be a smart person and buy down here. Okay? And you're going to need to learn quite a few things to do that. So that's it for the buying part. Selling is the same thing. Always do a limit. You know, try to jump in front of these big walls. Make sure you get your order in. Otherwise, you'll be waiting in a long line. And again, look out for more videos. I will do candle videos, show you how to read the candles. These candles are very important. Each one of these aren't just pretty little lines. They all tell a story. You need how to read that story and understand it. Okay, I am putting links in the description below. These links are links for Coinbase and Binance. You're gonna need both of these, and by clicking on these links, these will give you credits for free Bitcoins. So who doesn't like free money? Don't throw that away. Make sure you use it. All right. My name is Peter. Thank you for your time. Happy holidays to everybody. And let's make 2019 really profitable.